Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add pages on your Shopify store. As you see guys, it's very easy. Make sure to finish this video. So let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify account. After you creating your account on Shopify, just go directly to left side and go and click on online store and click on online store. Then guys, scroll to pages, then hit on pages. As you see guys, this page will appear. Then guys, if you want to add a new pages, just go directly add page on the top on the right side, then click on add page. Then guys, first you need to add the title, for example home. Then guys, you need to add the content and in the middle of your screen. After you add in the content, just go directly to visibility. Then if you want to make it visibility or hidden, then if you want to visibility, then you can customize the visibility. Then you can set the date and the time. Then I prefer to make it a default visibility. Then guys, go directly to online store, then theme template. Then you can make it the contact or default page. For me, I always use default page. Then guys, then if you want to edit a website SEO, then click on add. Then you can type the title and description and add the line and the link. Then guys, after you finish adding the information, just go on the bottom and hit on save. Then automatically the pages will add it on your Shopify store. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.